Arysteq Asset Management is a specialized financial services firm. We established the business in 2016 and registered as an investment management firm with Namibia. As founders of Arysteq Asset Management, we have collectively over 50 years of financial services experience, and as such we found it quite easy and natural to transition into asset management. We've worked very hard at building this boutique Namibian asset management company, and we're very proud of our achievements so far. The Government Institutions Pension Fund of Namibia, the GIPF, established their incubator asset management program in 2019. Arysteq Asset Management was the first asset manager to be appointed under this program, and we were awarded a mandate of 700 million Namibian dollars to invest in South African or JSE listed securities. We currently manage the funds of 8 institutional clients, and we also look after funds for the retail market, and we're doing that via our broker relationships, the IFAs, and also the investment platforms in the market. Although we've only been operating for 3.5 years, we believe that we've achieved quite a lot. What stands out for me in this time is not only setting up the business and obtaining our investment management licenses, but we've been quite lucky in setting up and employing a group of young investment professionals that are passionate about the financial markets, investments, and in that we were able to establish a great investment culture in the business. We believe that we have the biggest investment team in the market, with 8 out of our 13 staff members being part of our investment team. Having a larger team of investment professionals means that we've got more people looking at investment opportunities, analyzing companies, and making investment recommendations and decisions on behalf of our clients. I believe one of our biggest advantages is the fact that our expertise are 100% local. The business is 100% Namibian owned, staffed by Namibians and managed by Namibians. The fact that we are based in Windhoek gives us the advantage that our clients can actually just pop into our office for a coffee or a quick chat about any investment, whether it's Namibian investment, anywhere else in the region, or anywhere else in the world for that matter. We're very pleased of our investment performance. We certainly compete and compare favorably in the local market and also regionally. We're just about to launch a new fund, and the team will tell you about that.
The Arysteq Global Opportunities Fund was established late in 2020. The beauty of our Global Opportunities Fund is that it gives investors the opportunity to invest in globally developed equity markets. This includes, but is not limited to, the US, the UK, Europe, Japan, and Hong Kong. The strength of this fund is its ability to provide investors with a diversification away from the South African rand, which has steadily been depreciating over the past 20+ years. Apart from diversifying into numerous international currencies, this fund also provides investors with exposure to some of the most innovative and well-established markets. This is a first for Namibia because Arysteq Asset Management manages the Arysteq Global Opportunity Fund wholly from Namibia.
We have around 150 stocks on our watch list. As we speak, the fund currently has over 100 million Namibian dollars invested in this portfolio. Our target is to have the fund enlisted on all major platforms across Namibia and bring in institutional clients as we build our track record.
The aim of the Global Opportunities Fund is to outperform the MSCI World Index and maximize long-term capital appreciation by investing in listed equities in developed markets globally. Because the MSCI World Index is the benchmark for majority of the offshore funds, it's important for us to outperform it with the 37 stocks in our portfolio. This allows investors to potentially earn a better return by investing with us as opposed to investing in the index itself. This fund is also managed internally by 8 investment professionals. They apply quantitative pre-screening processes for idea generation, coupled with bottom-up fundamental analysis. Our in-house research team builds models for all our investments. They follow a rigorous process of filtering stocks to meet the requirements of our investment philosophy. We manage this fund in the same way that we manage our other equity mandates. We place the most emphasis on quality assessment, followed by liquidity, margin of safety, and long-term assurance. These four aspects come together seamlessly to maximize the potency of the Global Opportunities Fund. We have audacious targets for the next 5 years, and I believe this fund has the potential to be one of the largest funds in our product range. Our strong foundation of trust continuously helps us fine-tune and adapt our portfolios to the changing needs of our clients. This is our core purpose and one of the main values that Arysteq is centered around. We have 5 strategies available to the public at the moment, namely money market, balanced, real return, SA equities, and global equities. While most of our funds are only approaching the 3-year mark, the performance of these funds have been exceptional. Our money market fund has done particularly well and ranks number 1 in the Namibian market, while our other funds continue to rank competitively in the multi-asset categories. Our SA equity mandate compares well against other SA funds and ranks 11th out of 85 funds registered. The Arysteq DNA is our investment philosophy. It gives us a consistent edge in the investment industry. Our philosophy is based on 4 key pillars, being quality, liquidity, margin of safety, and the long term.
We take our corporate social responsibility very seriously. We took the decision in 2016 to establish the Arysteq Foundation, focusing on previously disadvantaged communities and also with an educational representation. Our focus at the moment is to look for students or candidates that are keen to study in the fields of accounting and finance, actuarial science, and also economics. We truly took to heart some of the stories and life experiences that we had heard in the interviews. Initially, we only had 2 positions available, but given the strong support and the quality of some of the CVs that we had received, we ended up approving and advancing 8 bursaries. We're expecting to grow the number of CFA charter holders within the organization from the current 2 to 5 over the next 3 years. Just as we are fine-tuning our relationships with clients and building trust within the industry, we are also fine-tuning on a continuous basis our vision and goals for the future. Long term, I see us entering the South African market and potentially beyond. Everything in the investment management world is within our reach, and I believe that we have the talent, the knowledge, and the experience to exceed even our own expectations.